So, I'm back on the move with this guy again.
Hey everybody.
And today I go home. Home as in, not home to Bukete, home to Trinidad and Tobago, where I'm originally from. Let me tell you about that. Hi, in case you haven't been here before, I am Richard, aka Adventure Rich, and I have been stuck in Panama for just under 2 years based on the global pandemic. So now I finally get to make my journey back home to Trinidad and Tobago, which is where I am right now, and I have some really big news for you. Well, I'm back in Trinidad and it feels great. I'm getting to see a lot of friends, I'm getting to do a lot of things that I used to do here in the first place. But am I staying in Trinidad? No. Does the vlog stop? No. Actually, the vlog takes a bit of an evolution in the coming weeks, where I'll be dropping some serious announcements and a bit of a competition where you can join me in Panama to do my adventures. But we'll talk about that a little later. What will I be doing in Trinidad while I'm here? I'll be visiting friends, family. I have a business here that I'll be checking the feasibility of me actually leaving it to run here or not, and probably tying off a couple loose ends before getting back to Panama to start a big venture. While I'm here, I'll be able to show you on the vlog a little bit about Trinidad. You'll be able to see the flora and fauna here, how similar it is to Panama, and some of the landscapes and some of the people that I spend time with here, and just generally what my life is like here in Trinidad and Tobago. It will be a bit limited as to what I can show based on the pandemic situation in Trinidad and Tobago right now. It's still not the relieved version like you would have seen in Panama, where a lot of the beaches are locked down, the rivers are locked down, they're now opening back restaurants to be able to do dining in, etc. So I will be working within those parameters to really get you a feel of what this place is like. And now for the big news. So, a very long time coming, but I'm very excited to announce Rich Adventure Panama Tours. You will have the opportunity to now join me on a 7-day expedition across Panama, doing things like getting into the Panama Canal. And when I mean getting in, not just viewing the locks and so on, but getting in there to do kayaking. You'll be able to see some of the tribes here, the indigenous people, and take part in a daily life there. You'll be able to kayak through the canal and see waterfalls in there. You'll be able to go to Playa Banao to do some surfing. You'll be able to go to Isla Iguana to do some fishing and just experience some island life. You'll be able to do some intense 4x4 action in Cambutal. You'll be able to do diving in Coiba, which is one of the national parks here with one of the best dive sites in Central America. You'll be able to experience some of the greatest, biggest waterfalls here in Panama. You'll be able to visit the top of the volcano here in Chiriquí, where you get to see both the Atlantic and the Pacific sides of Panama because it's that thin, and much, much more. Because Panama is known for its coffee. You'll be able to do coffee tasting of actual coffee and coffee liqueur, which I heard is really good. I had a taste recently. I'm not an alcohol person, I'm not a coffee person, but it was really good. So 7 days of high intensity, heart pumping action and some good relaxation in between. So it gives you a nice offset, but it'll be 7 days of what Panama really has to offer. It's launching at the end of January, so I'll have my first official tour then, and I will give you more information as the time progresses. But in November, in the middle of November, I'll be giving 2 of my viewers here the opportunity to join us on our dry run of the actual tour. So it's going to be 7 days of exactly what I described, but all you need to do is get here to Panama. And we take care of you for 7 days with activities and accommodation included. The borders of Panama are now wide open to travelers. So to enter this competition, I would need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow this Instagram account, and go to this post and comment, "Let's do this," and tag the friend that you would like to join you on this 7-day expedition. It's going to be wild. The winners will be announced in the final week of October, so stay tuned to those channels so that you'll find out if you won or not. So I have been itching to tell you all about this for more than 2 months now. I've been getting everything ready and I'm just doing a quick run to Trinidad, and I will be in Panama very soon to continue this entire journey of mine. And I would love to have you on board. So, as you can see, I'm just getting started. Let's do this. Yeah! Okay guys, I'm seeing a lot of interest in rentals, property acquisition and relocation guidance here in the comments of my videos. Well, I've got good news. I can guide you. My channel sponsor, Inside Panama Real Estate, has given me an email address where you can write to me and find out exactly what is available here in Panama on all of those topics. We want to help you find your dream location here in Panama. As you would have seen in my videos, there's so much to experience here. Be sure to email me at richard@ipreinfo to get the information you will need to get here and see it all for yourself. Big thanks to Inside Panama for giving me the opportunity to provide you, my viewers, with all the information you'd need for this. Let's do this.